Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachelle. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I talk about planning, fragrance, body care, and budgeting, and pretty much anything else that I want to talk about. But if any of that seems like something that you may be interested in, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button. But don't stop there. Be sure to turn on your notification bell and set it to all so that you don't miss whenever I upload a new video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. You are greatly appreciated. So, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into this video. All right, y'all. So, we are planning in my classic size happy planner, my classic size vertical happy planner for the week of September the 2nd through the 8th. Now, I am back planning because today is Saturday, September the 7th. However, I want to start off September through the rest of the year completing or decorating my spreads fully throughout the rest of the year. So here's where we are. Here's where we're back planning. Now, for this spread, it's still summer. It is not fall yet. But you know what? When school starts back and September the 1st hits, my mind automatically goes to fall. However, here in Texas, North Texas, it is still very much summertime. However, today felt like fall, but Wednesday, the humidity and the heat shall return. But being that it's still summer, the stickers that I plan on using, y'all gonna like these. They are so pretty, y'all. They're so cute. They are, again, stickers from Robin's Planning Nest. My affiliate link will be included in the description box below, as it is in all of my videos. I would appreciate it if you do shop with Robin, that you use my affiliate link. It is at no cost to you, and it does go to help me as a content creator. And by you using my affiliate link, I will earn a small commission from you using that link. But y'all, let me show you the stickers I plan on using. It is Let's Go Camping 1 and Let's Go Camping 2. How cute are these? How stinking cute are these? And the colors, right? So we're using these two sticker sheets. And then I have from Coco's Vision, Shalia. Look how cute she is. Now, is she dressed to go camping? Yeah, maybe, depending on what they're going to be doing. But from all of my other dolls that I have from Coco's Vision, she was the perfect choice because everybody else was all glamorous and everything. So we're using Shalia. So I'm going to take these pre-planned sticky notes off and place them up here. So that way I know where I need my functional boxes. Now I know, oh, never mind. I thought this said Planning Thing when clearly it says Robin's Planning Nest. I don't know, y'all. It's been a day. In addition to the sticker sheets from Robin's Planning Nest, let me show you the sticker books. I have this oldie but a goodie sticker book from Live Love Posh, one of her first sticker books, not the first, but one of her first sticker books. I don't think this was her first one, but this is the Muted Blooms sticker book, and we're going to be using these stickers here. I have the Autumn Boxes, the OG Autumn Boxes 2.0. Now, I know this is not the OG Autumn Boxes, but this is the OG Autumn Boxes 2.0. And the reason why I say this is the OG Autumn Boxes 2.0, because there is a re-release version of Autumn Boxes 2.0. So that's why I call it the OG Autumn Boxes 2.0. The major difference that I saw was that I want to say each sticker set had like currently and some other words in them. So I did not order. I didn't feel like I needed that because I have her currently sticker book, so I passed on those. Now that all that is out of the way, let's get to laying down some stickers. We're going to start first with the florals from Muted Blooms. And let me see which ones I want to use. Oh, we only have, I thought we had 3 pages or so. Let me just check. No, we just have the 2 pages. I don't know what I was looking at. I thought we had 3 pages. I guess not. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull this one here. I don't have any wax paper. I didn't even pull any wax paper, but that's okay. I think I want to put this. I did it up here. Do I want to put it here? Do I want this here? Let me see. Which way is she going? She's going this way, so she needs to be over here. Let's put this sticker here. I'm going to put it like here. And then I can cut off the excess. Put that there. And then let me grab this other one here. Move this over to the side. And what do we want? This one. I guess I can put it here. And I'm going to cover up Monday the 2nd. Some of it. Okay, that's fine. Now let me grab my scissors. And we're going to cut off this excess. So y'all, this is my monthly spread that I completed. If you have not seen that plan with me, it did go up yesterday, so be sure. Well, it went up today, but by the time that you're seeing this plan with me, it will have been the day prior. So be sure that you check out that plan with me. I would greatly appreciate all of your support. I'm not going to use these scraps. I know I'm not. So I'm not even worried about how I'm cutting it. Okay. All right, so we have those down. Now let's come in. Let's go ahead and put her down. She's too cute. Just don't go ahead and put her down right on over here. She's cute. Uh-oh. Okay. So now that we have those down, now let's put some boxes. And I'm going to be using this tan color here. I know I want this one. I know I want this one. And then I should have some wax paper. Oh, do you know what? Do I not have any more? Okay, I do. Okay. Let's put this here. Let's just put it right here. Can y'all see? Am I in frame? Maybe I need to move that down some. And then I'm only going to use 2 colors for this spread. And they are that tan color. And then I want that one. It's going to be this color here. I think I want this size. You know what? I should bring in a pink, shouldn't I? Maybe I'll just keep it at those two colors. I mean, they don't match exactly, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. Do I need to bring in a pink, y'all? I didn't think of. I said I was only gonna do two colors, and I felt like I could bring out the pink in here. It's not the exact same color pink that she has on in this shirt here, but it's close enough. And this is not the exact color blue. And then I have the like sand color here. Should I bring in a pink? Let's see. I feel like these are going to be not going to be the same colors. I know they're not. I'm not going to bring that in. I feel like I'm just going to stick with what I have. Just these two colors here. That's it. So let's do. Let me pull these blues. Let's do this one. And this one. I think I need this one and this one. I need some wax paper is what I need. Let me see if I got some wax paper over here, y'all. I do. I just want these. I don't want them all over my fingers to where I am restricted. Okay. And then let's pull these stickers here. And then I think I need two of these. I like this size too. Oh, you know what though? I don't have any. Yes, I did. I had that one there. Got that one. Let me grab a big one. A full size box of this color. Okay. Now, let's do this. Let's do it down here then. And that is not straight. We're not gonna start this tonight. Let's get this straight. That way we can move on. Okay. All right, now let's bring in these two. If I can get in frame now, that would be great, right? Okay, now let me grab my craft knife. I'm still getting used to this one, y'all, because it's new. Well, I have those new blades on there, and I think I need to trim this too. If I'm going to trim that one, let's trim this one. Well, what I need to do then is trim, move this one over some. Like I said, I'm getting used to that new blade there. Let's just move this over just a little bit. Okay. All right. Now, let's come in with these two. And let's put these on. What do we want these? I guess maybe on Friday. Okay, that's fine. And I do have these left. If I don't use them, then I'll definitely put them back. Now, let's come in. Y'all know I need to make some checklists, and we're going to do that. So I've got my check it off stencil from the Happy Planner. And we're going to put, let's just do a checklist here. There. And then let's do one on Wednesday. All right. And then let's do Thursday. And then we'll do, look at that, how it's smeared. I don't like that, but what can I do? Do I want to do this here? I don't have enough room there on Saturday. I don't really want to put one on Sunday. And this box is crooked. Is that going to be it? Yeah, I think that's going to be it. Yep, that'll be it. I said this was crooked, right? So I want to fix this. The blue one is what's crooked. And that's even worse. And then I'm wrinkling up my pages. I need a leveler when I'm making these videos. Okay, we got our functional boxes down. Let's bring in some deco. We're gonna put that there. And let's do one right there. We've got this like fire, this fire burning, this fire pit. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that butterfly right there though. Oh, you know what though? Let me see about some more florals. Let me pull this one here. Okay. Let's put this down. I'll have to straighten that because that is certainly crooked. I just ripped it. It's staying. It is staying as is. Let's try this one. I mean, I could use undo. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to trim the top of this. Where are my tweezers? Right here. And I just cut through my planner page. Wouldn't you know it? Okay. I still need to, I want to use this tint. Okay. Okay, got that there. The jury's still out on where that camper is going to go in this spread. Okay. Okay, we'll put that there. Trim that. All right. Okay. I'm going to put this here. Just like that. Let's come in with some bullet points. Okay, we'll do 2 here. And then we'll do 2 on the other side of the page. One there. And then one here. All right. Okay, y'all. So I have this holiday quotes and boxes sticker book by Emma Plans Her Day. This is a really old, not really old, but she came out with a re-release of this one as well. This was designed in 2021. So yeah, so this is pretty old. Let's see. I was trying to find some stickers. Oh, these are like themed. Okay. Let's use this one. All else fails, take a vacation. So we like this one. I could put this here, take up this butterfly, right? Okay, and then we could put this butterfly over here. Then we have, oh, relax and recharge. I think this will be a good one for going camping. We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. I like that. I'm going to use this one here, relax and recharge. Perfect for a camping spread. I feel like these are kind of close together. I love butterflies, y'all. Okay. Put it right there. Okay. And then let's just make a trail. Okay. And let's do this one here. All right. Do we need one here? Do we? I guess we could. All right. And then one here. There we go. We're just going to do it like that. Okay, and be done with it. Okay, so we got our quotes in. Now I need to put in my headers for my to-do lists. We have this one here. Remember. Let's do don't forget. And do this. Or get it done. Let's do get it done. So on Monday, we're going to put don't forget. And Wednesday, get it done. And Thursday, remember. Okay, y'all. So I have this Right Tech retractable highlighter. I'm just going to come in and shade these lines here. Okay, I don't like how these look when I was making the lines here, the shading. It's because of the stickers on the back here where it was bumpy. So yeah, I don't know, y'all. This spread may be a bust. I don't know about it. Okay. I'm thinking about bringing this over here. I think that that's probably going to be it because everything is pretty much filled out and I still want to have room to write on different days here. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So yeah, you know what, y'all? I am calling this spread done. I hope you all enjoyed getting to see how I decorated my spread for the week. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at JustRachelleW. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.